Hi, y'all. Listen, I know I said get ready with me yesterday and it didn't go the way I planned it, so we're doing it over again. So I just made the first half of getting out the bed and going to go cook breakfast because I woke up late, and yes, I'm eating breakfast late. I'm gonna eat lunch late too. Dinner probably will be on time. But we got our egg sandwich. Okay, I'm about to eat that, and then we're gonna go to the laundry. It snowed, y'all. So I had got dressed, took a shower, got dressed, cleaned myself up. Now we're going to wash my clothes, y'all. It is, I think, four something. I can't say what time it is because I'm recording, so it's like 4 something. So what I want to do with Instagram now is do like bits and pieces day in life, face routines, shopping vlogs, like little stuff like that. I want to get into it, and also for my Instagram too. I say Instagram, for my YouTube. This year, y'all, we are going to be, what's the word? We're going to be real into our craft. Like, if I'm really serious about YouTube, I'm going to really get serious about YouTube. I have that coming, plus more. Everything goes. All right. Bye, guys.